Hello. Okay, so I'll try to write here with my mouse. It's gonna look like crap. This is a 7, by the way, European style. My question is, why don't weeks just have like 6 days instead of 7? So it sounds weird, but you know how sometimes you say like half a week, or at least I do, and it doesn't make sense because that's like, oh, holy hell. How do I go back? I'm not a paint expert. 3 point looks like, okay. Nice. 3.5 days, which is like, okay, so you say like half a week. Does that mean if you're saying that at noon, that you're talking about like midnight in 3 days? Or, yeah, so that's kind of weird. But then what about like, so if you have 6 days a week, then how many weeks would you have like in a year? Because you can't really change the amount of days in a year, because that's like based on astrophysics and stuff. So let's see here, calculator. So we have 365 days in a year. And then we do divided by 6, right? Okay, that's a weird number. But then if we do that with a week, so 7 days, that's also a weird number. Is it? Wait, I multiplied. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Right, so that's also a weird number, so that doesn't matter. If we go from weird to weird, it's like the same. Okay, what about a month? So a month has like 30 or 31 or 28 or 29 days. But if we go for like 30 days, then we have a nice number. But for 31, it doesn't matter because it's a weird number. Oh god, I multiplied again. Yeah, so that doesn't really matter. It's like kind of better, I guess, for 30-day months, but basically the same. But you can say stuff like half a week, and it's nice. And then you can also do like thirds, and it's also nice. Or you could, oh god, you could just say like, I mean, you could just say 2 days instead of like a third of a week. So basically I just want to make it easier to say half a week and have it make sense, because I never know if it's like 3 or 4 days and everything else is basically the same, or like a minute bit better. So thanks.